Bitcoin and altcoins, the tale of the moving average. Hi guys, welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video, and today we'll be talking about moving average. So this one will be a special video since it will be a midterm technical analysis video, yung mga usual nating weekly updates on the state of the market. At ito din ay magiging Gab's Cryptocurrency 101 video na pag-uusapan natin ang moving average at paano ba natin siya i-apply. So in this video, we'll be talking about what is moving average, when do we use moving average, and what are the strategies for using the moving average. So let's start first with the moving average. Ang moving average is just the average price movement within a specific time frame, meaning kinukuha mo dito yung common price niya within the past few days. Dito sa example ko, in the past 50 days, ang naging common price ng Bitcoin is following this yellow line. Since common price lang naman siya, pwede mo siyang gawing basis for your current price sa isang coin. Now, when do we use the moving average? You can actually use the moving average in two ways. First is when dipping, the moving average acts as a support. Mapapansin mo dito, nagba-bounce ang ating price action sa moving average. Kita mo yung bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3, bounce 4, and then saka siya nag-pump. So, lagi niya nire-retest pag nandun tayo sa bull market. At pag tayo ay nag-start sa bear market, ito ang magiging resistance natin sa ating movement. Makikita mo na nung bumaba si Dot, doon tayo nagbabounce sa kanyang moving average. So pag-usapan naman natin ano ba yung mga pwedeng strategies for moving average. So yeah, we can use the first one. We could buy below the moving average and sell above the moving average. We can use different time period selections. And then also, we'll also get what are the ideal time frame for short, mid-term, and long-term trading. So let's start with buying and selling using the moving average. So balik tayo kay charts ni Dot. Generally speaking, if nandun tayo sa taas ng moving average, this is actually a good sell signal. So you could actually say na dun tayo usually magsasell. At pag tayo ay nasa baba, doon tayo magbabay. Ibig sabihin na pag nasa taas ng moving average, kailangan niyang humabol papunta dito sa kanyang line. Same goes with a bearish movement. Pag nasa baba tayo, kailangan niyang humabol pabalik dito sa kanyang moving average line. So makikita mo na it's actually an opportunity on when to buy and when to sell. In short, buy below the moving average and sell above the moving average. Now, we could also use different time periods as yung sabi ko nga kanina. There are actually different use cases for different time periods such as this example for Bitcoin. Meron tayong 20 moving average, which is the green line, 50, 99, and 200. So, lahat sila ay may mga sariling purpose. Pwede tayong mag-set ng iba't ibang purpose for their moving average. Pero mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo isang example for Bitcoin. And lastly, the time frame for different types of trading. Pwede mo ma-determine kung anong types of trading ang iyong hahabulin. So kung yari, habol mo ay long term, pwede mo actually i-check ang Bitcoin weekly time frame charts. See, itong green line na to, itong 20-week moving average, it actually determines the bull market support band for the long term. So makikita nyo na every time na magbabounce tayo, it will indicate that we are in a bull market. So gamitin natin siya ngayon sa actual uses niya sa cryptocurrency market natin. So let's start with Bitcoin since dito siya usually ginagamit at since kailangan din natin ng update regarding the Bitcoin price since it's currently falling, pag-uusapan din natin siya. So what we should always be looking first for the Bitcoin moving average is the 20 and 50-day moving average. It's because historically speaking, for this current bull run, ang 20 and 50 moving day average has always become the support for our short-term price action. Makikita mo na, dyan tayo nagba-bounce. We have here a bounce, another bounce. Dito din nag-bounce tayo. And yeah, nagiging support ang ating 50-day moving average. And in times, ang 20-day moving average natin ay nagiging support for the very short term. Pero pag nag-break natin siya, yun yung time na nagiging resistance natin siya. So mapapansin nyo na itong 20 and 50-day moving average ay nagiging mahalaga sa ating short and mid-term trading. So another thing to note in here is the 99-day moving average. Mapapansin mo na ito yung strongest support natin for our bull market in the midterm. Makikita mo na never natin siya ni-retest but ngayon lang siya ulit na test. So if ever na na-break natin itong 50-day moving average, we are more likely to see a bounce at this level which we ended few days earlier. Ang problem is ngayon na-break natin siya, At meron na tayo dito ngayon isang natitirang moving average which we can act as support. But in the meantime, since the break na natin itong 99-day moving average, this moving average can also act as a resistance in the midterm. So mapapansin mo, nagba-bounce tayo ngayon kay Bitcoin price. It is highly possible na baka mag-bounce tayo dito sa ating red line. Maganda din tingnan yung mga ibang moving average pag laro-laruan nyo siya. Makikita mo na itong 50-day moving average is actually a strong support and resistance for our short and mid, bullish and bear movement. Makita mo na during our bullish action, nagiging support siya. And during today's bearish movement, nagiging resistance natin siya. So this is what you actually need to follow in the following days, yung kanyang movement dito. And yeah, if gusto nyo guys maglagay ng moving average, pwede nyo siya actually i-add dito sa technical indicators. So you just have to click technical indicator and then type in moving average. So once na-select mo siya, magkakaroon ka ng isang moving average dito. So for example, ito nalagay ko na, pwede mo siya actually iset kung ilang days ang gusto mo sa inputs. So dito, itong purple line ko, sinet ko is 200 since yun yung isa sa mga gusto kong sinusundan ng moving average. So ngayon, balikan na din natin ulit kay Bitcoin. Ano ba tong purple line na to? This is actually our last chance of the bull market support. If history is any indication, ang ating 200-day moving average ay nagiging support for our bull market. Malalaman mo na mag-start ang ating bull market if nasa taas tayo nitong 200-day moving average. Nag-start ang ating bull market noong na-break na natin itong 200-day moving average at nag-start na maging uptrend ang ating 50-day moving average. Nakikita nyo yung kanyang halaga ngayon kung bakit natin sinusundan ang ating moving average. Ngayon, ito lang ba yung pwede natin tingnan? Just like sinabi ko kanina, pwede din tayo tumingin ng iba't ibang time frame. If titingnan mo actually ngayon, itong 20-week moving average has been the bull market support band. Ever since na nag-pump tayo sa ating bull market support band, ito yung nagiging price action natin for support. So, pwede mo siyang gawing basis din kung yari nakikita nyo na ngayon, bearish ngayon sa Bitcoin, hindi mo alam kung ano ba yung kanyang price movement. Pwede mo actually tingnan ulit ang ating weekly moving average para malaman mo na we are still on track for the Bitcoin price action. And pagdating naman sa altcoins, ito na yung gusto nating malaman. Paano ba natin siya i-apply sa altcoins? So first of all, ang pinakang rule natin pag mag-altcoins tayo is titingnan natin si Bitcoin. Generally speaking, if si Bitcoin ay naglalaro between the moving average at sa gitna ng all-time high, this means Bitcoin is consolidating but altcoins are pumping. If nakita natin bumaba ang Bitcoin sa baba ng moving average, this will indicate that Bitcoin is dipping and altcoins will dip harder than Bitcoin. And then lastly, if nandito tayo sa taas ng all-time high, umabot dito sa Bitcoin price, this will indicate that it is a Bitcoin season and altcoins will generally bleed against Bitcoin. Pag sinasabi kong it will bleed against Bitcoin, altcoins will still go up, but di sila kasing lakas tulad ni Bitcoin na mas malakas ang pump niya, di katulad ng mga altcoins. So ito yung palagi nyo titingnan na area is first, itong gitna. Pag nasa gitna siya, dyan malakas si altcoins. Dito, dyan bumabagsak ang altcoins. Dito, dyan lumalakas ang Bitcoin. So yun yung palagi natin titingnan dito. So yeah, ayun guys, nakikita nyo ngayon yung halaga ng ating moving average sa kanyang price action. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like. If you want to support more of the things that I do in here, you can just share our YouTube channel. So you can subscribe so that you can get some of my daily signals. You can get most of my contents on cryptocurrency tutorials and other strategies on how do I trade within the crypto market. And if you also want to see more signals such as yung mga buy and sell signals namin for Cardano, Ethereum, and different types of altcoins, you can actually join our Facebook, Discord, and Telegram group. Link is in the description below. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. So thank you. That's all for today, and bye-bye for now.